Hi there, bag makers and now quilters. My name's Melissa and I'm with Sew Yours. Today I wanted to share with you some new products that have hit our website at sewyours.com. Many of you are already subscribed to our bag making subscription boxes. We offer 3 different tiered boxes based upon your budget. Each month we fill those boxes up with vinyl, cotton fabrics, thread, notions, bag making hardware, you name it. We stuff those boxes and ship them off to you each month. Some of you like to subscribe to our quarterly plan, and once in a while we just get a random person who likes to purchase a one-time box at full price. So just like with those frequencies on our bag making boxes, we now offer boxes for our quilters. But even if you're not a quilter, you might still want to sign up for one of these boxes because you're going to get a little sampling of the cotton fabrics that we sell here in our shop. The first brand new subscription box I want to go over is our Fat Quarter Bundle box. So you are going to receive 6 different cotton fabrics that are fat quarters and coordinating in this bundle each month. These are some examples that we have put together for you, but they are going to vary every month. So the Fat Quarter bundles are going to consist of 1.5 yards of fabric in total, and they're all going to be coordinating. You're going to get fabrics from Moda, Benetrex, Riley Blake, and the Sew Yours exclusive fabrics that we're going to talk about a little bit later in the video today. In addition to the Fat Quarter bundle, we are going to include a free surprise with each box. For those of you who want to give us a try, the full price is $24.99 for a one-time bundle. And if you are signing up for the monthly option, you're going to save 10% off that price, and a quarterly is 5% off that price. The next subscription plan that we now offer with the same frequencies and discounts is our pinwheels. So each month you are going to be sent a brand new pinwheel, which may be from Moda, Riley Blake, or Benetrex. And if you're not familiar with the pinwheels, this is 2.5-inch strips. You're going to get a total of 40. Some of them are going to be repeating patterns. And you can make a quilt, you can make a table runner, placemats, whatever you'd like. You can even make bags with the pinwheels. So this is a pinwheel that I have opened up. I am currently working on my very first quilt, and I've used this pinwheel right here. Let me show you a little sneak peek of my progress thus far. So this is the quilt that I'm working on with the pinwheel. So you can do lots of different things with the pinwheels. You'll get the pinwheel each month, quarterly, or one time, as well as that free gift like we do in the Fat Quarter bundles. Another new product that we are now offering in-store and online is our warm and natural cotton batting, perfect for quilts ranging from sizes of twin all the way up to king. By popular request, I have started adding our Sew Yours exclusive cotton fabrics to our website. So I'm going to continue doing that over the upcoming weeks. It takes quite a lot of time to add the hundreds of different cotton fabrics that you can only get here at Sew Yours. I have already cut some of my favorites to keep here on my wall behind me. So here is a little sampling of some of the new fabrics that have hit our website. Check out what we have thus far. These are going to make great bags, quilts, bag linings, you name it. We even have some cotton prints that coordinate with some of our vinyls, or they are a perfect match to our vinyls. So go ahead and check those out. And lastly, I just wanted to remind you that we do have a clearance section on our website for the items that we are discontinuing. You can get great savings whenever you purchase our clearance items. Thank you so much for joining me today. Go ahead and check out our website at sewyours.com. I'll put a link in the description box below. Until next time, bye-bye.